Alright, boys and girls, if you want to see what a running bamboo looks like without being monitored, so this, I forget what it's called, but it's going to be red. It's a red bamboo, but it's running. So this old pot cracked. You can see here where the roots in the runner busted through. So here's the runner. I broke it for you guys, sorry. So this one was coming out like this, but it was inside this little water dish, and it curved around and came out through here. So this was like that. Okay, and so it went in the ground and went along the house all the way over there. So here's what it looked like from underground. So these two were the biggest, and you can see how the runner works. So just didn't look like much, but then, oops, where's it at? Here's the node where it popped up, and there it goes. So look at the spacing. And then these two, this one was at the very end, I guess. And so this, out of the bottom of the pot, this one was first. Here, where's that? There. Here, this was actually the one that came out of the, or that these were attached to here. So if we didn't catch it, who knows? And still, even that, there might be stuff underground that we don't know about, and it could be popping up some other time. But that's it, just a quick video to show y'all how these things can go. And this, I don't know when it started growing, but it didn't take long, definitely less than a year since, let's just say, spring, or not spring, but like middle of winter, say February, March-ish, I bet that's when it started. Because I didn't notice that little thing that popped up until like last month and a half. You can see they're pretty dried and withered up. They will tend to curl their leaves whenever they get in drought or low moisture and low water situations. Except for this one. This one's still kind of, leaves are kind of still unfurled, but I'm just gonna put it in this bucket of water and see if they're still alive, if they can suck some water up in there, because these culms are like shrank, you know, no water, so they kind of shrank in there. A little shriveled up, and I mean, I doubt they'll live, but what the heck, if they do, then got me some plants, some new plants. So here you can see, let's see, like this looks like was going to be proper stock, a culm popping up, and here is a classic cone shape. So this one was going to be one too, it seems. But it looks like it kind of stopped. Maybe it died, I don't know. And you can see there was one there, but it looks like, I think this is the one I pulled out. So that's what it looks like from underground. So there you go. Thanks for watching.